Hi, good evening. My name is Nalima Rao, and my colleagues Matthew Chi and James Stewart have this idea of developing a senior housing search engine app which is aimed at creating value by providing all the necessary information that a user would need to look for a suitable senior housing accommodation. This week, we interviewed a total number of 5 gurus and 5 customer partners. Here is our business canvas. Our key partners and suppliers, they continue to be the same as last week, which is Department of Human Services, third-party app developers and architects, IT personnel, facility providers, local businesses and doctors' offices, senior communities, and other amenity vendors. Our key activities, there have been some changes. In addition to last week, which was continuous technology updates to the website, quality performance checks, browser compatible, reviewing licenses and violation of partner communities, we also added form framework for advertising revenue, securing all the necessary, which is a must for initial startup. We have to identify those resources, legal framework for business and partnership agreements. Our value proposition, our customer segments, customer relationships, channels, revenue streams, they all continue to be the same. What I will talk about is cost structure and then key resources. So in the key resources, we have financial management, consumer research and technology activities, and administrative and maintenance support. And at the cost structure, we added administrative and hardware costs as well to be incorporated, which we will talk about what we found in the analysis. Whatever innovations we are offering with this product and what the consumer's needs are and what are some of the decisions that we have come to as we went through these different assignment weeks, they all continue to be trending towards the same as we believed it to be. Hypothesis, we believe we're going to have to form some B2B strategic alliances with financial partners, facility providers, senior communities, and marketing firms to grow our business. We contract them either with loose partnerships such as some kind of a symbiotic relationship with doctors' offices where they send their customers to us to use our website, and we in turn promote their medical offices on our website. We also have to think about forming some joint ventures probably with financial investors. So we've yet to discuss about that, but we do know we have to form strategic partnerships. That we believe we're going to be able to identify key activities and then all the costs this week after doing the analysis. Who we interviewed were facility managers, financial investors, doctors, social workers, law and enforcement, IT consultants. I talked to an IT company. So what we found out is, of course, for a startup business, we need to have an office location, office equipment, one admin person. We need to also recruit, outsource all our IT work to a third party. So we did some interviews there, and we found out that it would cost. There are some costs associated with it. You have to have some developers, some technical architects, database architects, and so on. And then we also identified sales and marketing promotions, which we can, of course, share with our partners who we form strategic alliances with. That's a way to go that keeps our costs low. Some of the key relationships are facility providers, IT outsourcing company, sales and marketing companies, medical facilities, government assistance programs, and then other partners would be local businesses where we promote our business and legal advisors. So overall, we concluded that we are confident moving forward with the current value proposition. The cost of securing the right resources and developing new partnerships and the distribution channels fits our hypothesis and value proposition. So next steps. Next week, we are going to be working on starting to prepare a feasibility report on what we learned the last few weeks. We will be summarizing all of it. That's about it. Thank you very much and have a great evening.